Hello everybody and welcome back to Throttle Grotto. Today we're going to be working on the Datsun for just a little bit. And I have lights again, so stay tuned. Alright everybody, so it has been a shamelessly long time since I've made a video out in the garage, partly because of power, partly because of all the stuff going on with COVID, and honestly I've been a little down just for some personal reasons, so I haven't really been in the garage too much. But the power's back on out here. We got the wiring fixed underneath the house, and I got a couple new parts for the Datsun to install today. And that would be a new clutch slave and a new hose that goes up to feed it. The old hose was leaking, and obviously the clutch slave that was in here before was in pretty rough shape. So this stuff is nothing complex to install. It's got I mean, come on. But bottom line is I'm ordering parts as I can, and I'm getting them installed in the car. So let's whip this thing in here and get it bled, and let's see if I actually can use the clutch pedal, because that's the whole point of this exercise, is to make the clutch work. Okay, so I'm in the car. The clutch pedal came up. It's got some pretty good feel down here at the, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but a little bit of free play I'll have to adjust out of the pedal. My big concern right now is that I don't seem to have all the gears I'm supposed to have. So you can't see the shift pattern here, but it's, you know, pretty common. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reverse. So I got that gear, and then if I go to the center, which is where I presume third is, and it just does not want to go to where fifth should be. I got fourth, but it looks like I don't have fifth or reverse, and I'm hoping that that's not going to be a major problem. So I'm going to have to solve this one, figure out what's going on with that and why I don't have why I don't have an extra gear. I have an AM radio, but I don't have fifth and reverse. So that's the next mystery to solve. So I get to cross something off the list on the wall. And apparently it got moist enough in here that, I got to use the word moist today. Looks like a bunch of my writing faded on the wall, or on the whiteboard. So I'm going to add 5 reverse to the list of things on that car that I need to work on, figure out what's going on. So unfortunately, that's all I have for today. If you have any tips or advice on where my fifth or reverse gears ended up going, drop them in the comments below. And there's probably an adjustment in there somewhere. I just don't know where it is. So until I figure that out, I don't have fifth or reverse. So until next time, get out there and work on something.